just a few hours away, awaits a holiday paradise for even the most seasoned of sun-seekers. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white sanded paradise, where you and your loved one can enjoy a cheeky getaway. With a restaurant right on the beach, there's no reason to leave this slice of paradise. There's a bus stop nearby, so getting around is hassle-free. But a holiday isn't all lounging about. Show off your athletic prowess with a spot of windsurfing. Or ride the crystal clear waters in style with a spot of water skiing. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.